In this lecture, we are going to learn about typecasting in C. It is used to convert a variable from one data type to another data type. So there are two types of typecasting. One is implicit conversion. Another one is explicit conversion. In implicit conversion, typecasting happens automatically. So let me explain this by using one example. We have int x equal to 10 and character y equal to inside of single quote a, which is nothing but 97. And I'm writing instruction as x is equal to x plus y. So here this y will be converted to an integer implicitly by the compiler. So 10 plus 97. So the output would be 107 for this statement. And in the next statement, I have float x is equal to x plus 1.0. Now we have x updated to 107 because of this statement, which is an integer value. But here, because we are adding 107 with a float value, which is 1.0, so compiler will produce an output of 108.000 and it will be stored into float z. So in the next lines, I'm just printing those values of x and z. So final output is here. In this program, we have seen how compiler implicitly converts data type of used variables. However, we can do this explicitly, and syntax for typecasting explicitly is if we can specify your data type inside of parenthesis, and after that you can have your expression. So here is an example. I have double x is equal to 1.2 and then integer sum is equal to integer x plus 1. Now note that x is of type double. However, I am asking compiler to treat it as integer over here. So 1.2 as an integer is 1. So here compiler will do 1 plus 1 and the final output would be 2. So in the next line, we are printing sum, which has been updated as an integer value 2, and it will just simply print sum equal to 2 as output. Typecasting is important where you do not want to use multiple variables just to achieve a certain result. Instead of that, we can just typecast existing variables to achieve our result easily. Typecasting is widely used between combinations of integer to float, float to integer, integer to character, character to integer, and so on.